Sometimes, making a man disappointed once can show how much he truly loves you. Women are naturally emotional and often feel insecure in relationships. Even when they know their partner won't leave, they still test his love. However, what seems like love could be someone just pretending. After many tests, the answer you get may not be real. To make a man love you, people often say you must meet his needs. But love isn't just about giving constant. Pleasing might not help you understand the relationship. One way to know if a man loves you is by letting him feel disappointed. This can reveal his true feelings. Emotions reflect attitudes. Like in the story of Cheng and Lu Ziyue from My Mowgli Boy. Cheng stayed out late, and one night Lu caught her with a stranger. She claimed nothing happened, but both knew the truth. Lu didn't get angry. He calmly asked if she'd marry him. Tang rejected him without hesitation, saying their personalities didn't match, and she didn't want marriage. Lu wasn't surprised, but he hoped for hesitation. His calm departure showed deep disappointment. Sometimes, when someone's hurt enough, they don't even express it, they just go numb and silent. Disappointment can either lead to forgiveness, when love is strong, or apathy if the pain is too great. After losing Lu, Tang realized her mistake and tried to make amends. Although Lu seemed indifferent, he couldn't forget her. In the end, he forgave her, believing those who admit mistakes deserve another chance. Love's happiness comes from both partners. Balancing praise and criticism strengthens relationships. Women should remember that when they know a man loves them, they need to show love in return. Testing a man's love through disappointment can work, but it shouldn't happen too often, or it may cause harm.